Hey guys, welcome back to another Aussie Restorations, and today I'm going to show you the proper way, well the way that I know, how to tint your taillights from going from this to this. And I'll show you right now. Alrighty guys, so if you've made it this far, well done and thank you. So the next step is to tape up any holes that enter inside. So we're gonna have to tape those up so we don't get paint in them. We're gonna lightly scuff the outside and then we're gonna clean it off with wax and grease remover. If you have any deep scratches or nicks, do sand it back so it's nice and flush, because you're gonna paint it over anyway and that'll make it look brand new again. So let's get into it. Okay, so you're ready to spray. What do you do next? Well, here's a good tip for you. Put your cans in some warm water. It just helps the paint atomize and spread out nice and better so it doesn't come up in splatters. It's an issue working outside sometimes because this happens. Well, you see him? Such a pain in the ass. Oh geez, they look much darker, don't they, on camera, but in person you can still see through them, which is what I wanted, exactly. Still got to see me indicate and brake, God. Anyway, so I'm going to leave these overnight to cure and then we'll come back with the final clear coat. So it is the next day guys, and this is fully dried and fully cured. Like, it looks so cool. I'm so excited for these. Now I was thinking about sanding them with say like a 1500 grit sandpaper and a bit of water and then buffing it out by hand because I don't have the tool with me. But there's like little to no orange peel with this, so I'll show you on the light and you'll see what I mean. Look how smooth and shiny that is. The 2K paint turned out really well. I mean, like, yeah, there is a tiny bit of orange peel here, as you can see, but all in all, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I might just leave it as it is. So we're going to give them a coat of wax and then we're going to throw them on the car. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you can take a couple of tips and ideas away from this video. It's only my way of doing things, but it's better than nothing. So thank you again. Hit that like button if you enjoyed, and possibly subscribe. I will show you the final result now.
Okay.